Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to build a simple data pipeline which uses Kafka, Lambda, and Amazon CloudWatch. Here I'm going to publish the messages from uh, Confluent Cloud in topic. Then Lambda gets triggered. Lambda will print those messages in Amazon CloudWatch. So to do this, I have created an IAM role for Lambda which requires access to read data from Secret Manager to write entries to CloudWatch Logs. So when you create a cluster in Confluent Cloud, it will give you the authentication details, and those details you have to secure them in a secret manager as key value pair. Now I'm going to create the AWS Lambda function. Yeah. So I'm going to create a function. This Kafka, and I'm choosing Python as a runtime. I'm using an existing IAM role which I have already created. Create function. Now I'm going to add the trigger. I'm selecting the source as Kafka. Here we have to give the Bootstrap server name. This you can copy when you create a cluster in Confluent Cloud. And you have to give the topic name. I created with this name. Authentication you can choose as basic auth. And the secret manager key, as I already said, I have created. I'm using that. Now just add. So yeah, it got created. Now I'm going to write the code. So this code will trigger the lambda whenever the messages are published in the Confluent topic, Kafka topic. See, when the lambda function gets triggered, the messages will be in the encoded format. So here I'm decoding. This is the code I have written for decoding it, and then it will write into the CloudWatch logs. This is the information. Now I will publish those messages to the topic. This is the producer program. So here I have passed the parameters topic name and config details. Config details are nothing but when you create a cluster, it will provide you the Bootstrap server name and the authentication details. Those details you need to you need to copy in your local the config file. Those details I'm passing to the producer. I'm going to run. I've passed the values, key value as my key file and the value as test file hello. So these are the values. Let's see in CloudWatch. You can monitor in AWS Lambda also. Choose CloudWatch Logs. So you can see when I have published the message, it triggered Lambda and you can see as received event. The topic is test topic, and you can see the timestamp as UTC timestamp, and the values were encoded. So I have in my code I have decoded those values. You can see my key file and hello Kafka from Confluent Cloud. Let me change the values. See, you can see my key 6 and test 6, and let's see in the here you can see my key 6 and hello Kafka. So hope this video finds you helpful and informative. In my next video, I'm going to enhance this real-time pipeline by pushing those messages to S3 and DynamoDB. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.